Hey guys, it's Scott at Builder Cross, and today I want to show you how I paint this latte paint by line. I've gone in first and just base coated the whipped cream at the top. I'm going to do every other stripe on my straw and the little label that's on the cup. And I'm base coating those in the color Cotton, which is Dixie Belle's whitest white paint. And of course, everything I use in this video will be Dixie Belle chalk paint. And of course, you could easily make this like for Christmas. You could do red stripes on the straw and do like a peppermint mocha. But because I'm in the fall spirit right now, I chose to do fall colors. So I'm going in with the color chocolate for the liquid. So the coffee, hot cocoa, whatever you want it to be. And then I'm going in with the color the Gulf for my mason jar cup. Next, I'm going to go in with the color Terracotta, and that is the color I'm going to use to paint the stripes that are left on my straws. I'm also going to use Terracotta to do some sprinkles on my whipped cream, and all I'm going to do is just flip my brush over and use the end to do some dots. And I'll also go in with the color Pine Cone and Chocolate and Putty, just doing some different fall color sprinkles on my whipped cream. Now that everything's dry, I'm going in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker to do some lettering on my label here. I'm just writing pumpkin spice season. You could easily go in and write whatever you wanted to on there, or use vinyl. That works as well on this paint. And I'm just using that marker to go in and outline everything. Once I'm done outlining, I'm going to go in with the number 4 round and the color Cotton and just highlight everything. And I'll also highlight everything that's white with just a little bit of Savannah Mist. And I love to highlight. I feel like it just finishes everything off, but it's definitely optional. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.